Today we're gonna go ahead and add these rear carbon mud guards. It goes really good with this piece right here from Extreme Online Store. All you'll need is a T15. Really easy. 2 bolts in here, one right here and another slightly above. The way you'll know which one it is this insert with the bottom nose sticking inward. Slides right in there. You're gonna connect the piece like that. You'll see how it fits. You'll guide the holes. Very easy. You'll go ahead and remove the 2 T15s. My adapter didn't fit in there with my whole wrench, but I broke it loose enough to take it out. And we'll test fit this one, see how we like it. We get it going, and that's all. Before it's even in, I kind of put my bolt already through just to make sure that these holes could fit the bolt, and then we're gonna slowly tap it in, then tighten it down. So I just kind of put it in, and I'm tightening it by hand first, and then I'm gonna get this second one in right here. Just gotta feel where it is since you can't actually see it. You can see the bolt where it's going, but you just gotta make sure it gets in the hole, slowly tighten it, and then you'll use your tool. See, now it won't back out. That's how I know I got it. Get it at least about 2 turns in. That way it has enough thread so when you tighten it, it'll fully go. All right, so I wasn't able to record with 2 hands. It's still a little loose, but what I initially did was I got my T15 and I first screwed it by hand. Then I got the T15 as is and I screwed it a little tighter. May or may not fit with your actual wrench, so just make sure you do it hand tight, as this piece, you know, with vibration, it can fall off. That's it. Looks pretty flush. It does go inward. I was trying to pull it out, but I noticed that it actually wants to sit more flush, which is good. And it wants to sit right with that line. You could loosen it and tighten it and adjust it, like if you want a better fitment. And then also I believe it does come with some 3M tape. Now we're gonna do the same to the other side. All right, they're out. One right here and right here. You can see it a little better. Now without any bolts, I'm just mocking it, see how it fits. And it's basically like the same thing on the other side. It wants to go inward. Just gotta make sure it sits in there pretty good. Make sure you have it tightened as much as you can, but you still might have some play up here, as this carbon piece wants to go inward. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put 3M in the back, and I want it to sit right, so it's gonna be at a weird angle for me. That's how it wants to mold. It wants to go inward on my driver's side. But other than that, pretty easy install. If you're lowered, it might be more of a challenge. But I do recommend putting 3M, like now it goes away. So I do recommend putting 3M all over on the inside if you can. Just see if that helps with the rubbing. Like, so this one wants to go inward, so I got it to sit where it wanted. I got it tight, hand tight. The only thing I did was I added 3M in there. You can see it right there. I kind of made a ball of the 3M that's provided. Covered in there, as well as right in there you can slightly see it, and then in here as well. It was touching my paint. Far you can't really notice. I'm gonna trim it later with an X-Acto knife. That's how it looks. Nice. Goes really well with the piece. There's the exhaust from Extreme Online Store as well. The rear carbon trim as well. Looks good. Just a reminder, you know, each carbon is different, so one side might be different from the other one. I had challenges on my driver's side compared to my passenger, so that 3M tape really came in handy. As well, another recommendation, if you don't want to do 3M tape as well, is you could get the holes and trim them out a little bit oval shape, so you can slide it more towards you, the viewer, giving yourself more of room to slide it out, because this carbon just wanted to go inward. So I went and corrected that, and it looks pretty good.